Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar, where my goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, I got a pretty cool little aperitif cocktail coming for you. It's gonna be made with a Grenache Blanc, the same white wine we used last week, Campari, Ramazotti Amaro. It's gonna be topped off with a strawberry basil mint soda water, and we're gonna garnish that with a strawberry and a lemon peel. This is Happiness Bar Aperitif number 1. So, this year for Christmas, I was gifted this beautiful little Aperitivo book from my cousins, Jacqueline and Eric, and I'm so grateful. It is such a cool book. There's so many amazing ideas in here. And guys, as a bartender, whether you work in craft cocktail bars, whether you just make drinks at home, whatever, man, reading all these cool cocktail books, things you can find that are really great ideas from other bartenders, helps you kind of develop and helps you kind of build ideas. And while looking through this book, man, I gained so much cool inspiration, and I realized I need to do more Aperitivo cocktails. I love them every time I have them. I love them when I make them at home, so I need to share more of those, and I'm hoping you guys will learn to love them as well if you don't already. But I gained some inspiration from a really cool cocktail called Giostro di Alcol from Cafe Elena. It's really just a cool Campari-based, wine-based Aperitivo cocktail, except it's done with red wine, and there's some other ingredients in there that are fantastic. If you want to check out more, man, stuff like that, definitely check out this Aperitivo book here from Marissa Huff, The Cocktail Culture of Italy. So what we're using, again, guys, we're using this Le Indigenaise Cultivar. It's 100% organic, naturally made Grenache Blanc from France. 100% Grenache Blanc grape varietal. Really a fantastic white wine. I truly do love it. Grenache is one of my favorite varietals. And we're gonna use some Ramazotti Amaro, some Campari, and we're gonna use this nice little 365 strawberry basil mint soda. I found this today and I thought this would be perfect in the context of this cocktail. So get it at your local Whole Foods, man, and that's not a paid ad. We got some lemons for garnish, some strawberries for garnish. All we gotta do for this cocktail in prep is make a simple syrup. So we are making a 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup. So grab a scale, grab a container to weigh with. You got grams selected, zeroed out. I'm gonna weigh out 250 grams of sugar. All right, 250 grams of sugar into the pot. And I need 250 grams of water. 250 grams of water, add that into the pot with our sugar. Gonna kick our burner on to a medium-high heat, give this a stir, and what we're looking for is to bring this up to a simmer, allow all that sugar to dissolve, and that'll be it for our simple syrup. All right, guys, let's go ahead and pour our simple syrup up into a storage container. Boom, on the lid. Now you may notice my simple syrup's a little bit darker than yours. That's because I used an unbleached, all-natural sugar cane, so you get that little bit of darkness from that, but it is still just a simple syrup, man. All right, guys, that was all of our prep work, man. We got our simple syrup done. We are ready to roll on the Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 1. This is a built cocktail, so first thing we're gonna need is our glassware, and we're gonna need our jigger. Fill her about halfway, 3/4 of the way. And we're gonna start with the cheapest ingredients, so 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of Ramazotti Amaro. 1/2 ounce Campari. 2 ounces of our Grenache Blanc White Wine. And we're gonna top her off with the 365 strawberry basil and mint sparkling water. 1 ounce. Grab our bar spoon, let's agitate this cocktail. For garnish, we're gonna grab a lemon, get a nice wide, fat peel, spritz the cocktail, roll her up, set it right down in the drink. Garnish that with a little strawberry here to finish her off. There it is, guys, the Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 1. Let's taste. You get that lemon on the nose, you get that hint of strawberry, really nice. It's light, but has this nice body to it. It's dry on the front end, has a nice body, kind of middle back of the palate. You get this beautiful bitterness from the bitter orange and the Campari and that Ramazotti Amaro. The white wine kind of cleans it up. 1/4 ounce of simple is the perfect level of sweetness to kind of balance out the bitterness. The essence of the lemon on the nose from that spritz of the lemon rind really does kind of just bring out all the flavors of this cocktail, man. Beautiful, man. Nice little wine-based, low ABV Aperitivo cocktail here for you. End of winter, moving into spring. Strawberries, lemon, little bitter Amaro, man. How could you hate it? How could you not love it, baby? There it is, guys. The Happiness Bar Aperitivo number 1 Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me, maybe you wrote it down safe for a later date, but either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere, become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing, and hit that bell if you want notifications, because we got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone. Man,